What's up guys, Miguel here with another quick video. Today's video we are going to be putting up ceiling tiles. So I'm going to show you guys how to put up ceiling tiles without breaking it. A lot of people are breaking ceiling tiles all the time, and it's because they don't know how to put it on. Over here there's a plastic pipe, so we're going to have to go up this way first and then slide it down this way. So basically ceiling tile needs to go in at an angle, and then when you get it up there, you try to push it as far as you can forward, because over here we're going to have to slide it underneath this pipe, and then once it's in there we can slide it back to where it has to go. So this one is the first ceiling tile, and then that one is actually the hardest one that I'm gonna show. The next one is gonna be fairly easy because again, there is nothing up on top over there. I should have started with this one first, but basically you take your ceiling tile and then you're gonna wanna put it in at an angle like this, because you're gonna need it to go past this part right here a little bit, but over here there is an air vent. Or let's see, maybe we can go up this way instead. There you go. That one is the easier way to do it. No air vent on that side. You go on an angle and then it should just drop down. And that is how you put on a ceiling tile. Tilt it, push it in, and then drop it back down. Thanks for watching. Hope it's helpful.